Good morning, everyone. And guys, don't forget to watch all the way down to the end. I have a question for you guys waiting for you. Very important to improve this channel or give you guys content that you guys may want to see. I'll just leave it at that. But you do have to watch to the very end. Today we just finished up with fueling up, but we are currently in the 12 valve, but the let's just say the S10 definitely much faster. That truck did not have very much service done to it. Let's just say it. Yeah, everything needed to be cleaned out, and yeah, no, it was definitely not the best. Oh, yeah. This truck kind of needs tires. A little slippery. Definitely slippery. But I will meet you guys when I get there. Okay, so we are actually just pulling on up here. As you can see, that there is the S10. We're actually just going to pull right on up here. I'm sure the boss won't mind if we start 12 valve up on here. Can't speak. But there she is in all her glory. Here she is. We actually just got in her and started her up. Almost first try. But so far, the only upgrades we've actually done to her are pretty much just to the engine so far. Did a good service on her. Placed all diff fluid, tranny, oil, filters, everything you can think of. And she already runs so much better. Drives, runs, shifts, all just so much better. But there are things I plan on doing to the old S10. Although I won't say them. But one of the things is definitely new suspension. Look at this. Pretty soft. I don't see it soft. Yeah, she's definitely rubbing. Definitely rubbing. Hello, fellers. So it's been about, what has it? What's it been? Month or so? Well, the only part that hasn't came in yet would be wheels and tires. But other than that, we have put some spacers on it. Boss had some spacers, so stuck those on there. Lift kit, 3-inch lift, 4-inch lift. I forget what it was. And some LED lights. There we go. Look at that. LEDs in it. Isn't that wonderful? And we got the truck right here, actually. The 12 valve. It's just sitting there. Thought I'd back up to the trailer. I left it there a couple days ago just so I can come back to it. Because, well, the truck, as far as right now, is pretty much done. But once the wheels and tires come in, I can just do that over at my place. And shouldn't be very hard. Wow. Just jack her on up and pretty much take and right on down to the road. But the suspension's much nicer. It's still got some absorption to it. She's stiffer as well. So then you don't have to worry about breaking the fenders or anything. It's definitely not an off-road or rock crawler or anything. Off-roadable. Got some different axles. Boss had two of these same axles. Gear ratio, it worked. But anyhow, with Boss had some axles laying around, and they were four-wheel drivable. So I just kind of sanded them down a little bit, repainted them, and we now have what we have. And so far, I gotta say, it's pretty nice. This color, though, absolutely loving it. The same color as it was when I first got the truck. And, well, it's nice. Look at that. Climbs right over the little rocks here. We're not even in four-wheel drive either. Take these lights off, we don't need them. Down whatever the heck that is. Don't know if it's a rock or a tree. But so I believe it's a rock stuck in the ground or a tree stuck in the ground. No idea. As we're just slowly making our way through here. And we fit. Ooh, we fit. Let's go. Which, yes, once the wheels and tires come in, this truck will look a lot better. As of right now, we've just got the spacers on it. And the axle a little bit wider than what we had before. So, let's don't cut the leaf spring either. Leaf springs. Just track bars, shocks, and the, what do you call it? Oh, I can't remember the name. I don't know. Brain fart here, fellas. But, that will be the end of the video, and, the question that I said we were going to have at the very beginning. Well, should I do videos on Twitch? Like live stream on Twitch? If so, like this video, comment, and let me know. Comment that you want to see Twitch. And Twitch would be Xbox stuff. So, like Farm Sim, Forza, SnowRunner. Stuff like that. So if you want to see that, hit the like button, comment, Twitch, and you guys enjoyed.